What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It's Dad here from Dad Simply Cooking, and let's talk about leftovers. Today is a spaghetti sandwich made with leftovers. We all have them in our fridge, and we avoid them. Some of us do, by the Black Plague. We put them in these containers, and we tell ourselves we're going to eat it tomorrow or the next day, just because you feel guilty about not throwing it away. Sometimes you instantly know you're not going to eat it and you still put it in the fridge. But my wife made spaghetti the other day and she made a lot of spaghetti. So we have a lot of spaghetti here. And I've been seeing the thing all over the internet where people made spaghetti sandwiches. I said, you know what? Leftover spaghetti sandwiches, it is. So let's go. Simple, easy, fast video. Let's make some spaghetti sandwiches and try them. So today I'm going to be using my hamburger buns because I have some hamburger buns that I need to go ahead and get used. So I'm going to use them today. Just going to kind of butter my bread on up. A little bit of Italian seasoning. A little bit of oregano. Get my skitty. I got some mozzarella. Just kind of like place it up on my sandwich. Kind of fold it. That cheese is on the inside. And fold it. Now I'm going to kind of shape it like a burger a little bit. Get a little glue. Chess. Alright, so I've diced up some of my mozzarella. Kind of added in there. And I'm just going to try to flatten this out. The kids love spaghetti, so I'm very interested to see if they're going to like this concept of it on a sandwich. My wife did say she would try it. She made the spaghetti, though. She made extra spaghetti. I think it's going to turn out pretty good. And I'm using mozzarella cheese because like I feel like mozzarella goes good. Or like a good Parmesan will go good with this too. You know, it's good to try to recreate leftovers. That way we don't have wasteful food in our fridge. And my wife looked at me the other day and said, I made a lot of spaghetti. Don't know what happened. Made a lot of it. So I was like, I've been seeing this video on TikTok and Facebook and Instagram and everything else of people making spaghetti sandwiches. I was like, recreate our leftovers. A spaghetti sandwich. Let's give this bite a try. Wait a minute. That's actually really good. Cheese. Absolutely. Use your leftovers. The leftovers are going to sit in there. Be creative with them. I mean, if it's turning spaghetti into a grilled cheese sandwich, something else to reuse it. Because let's be honest, we eat it and then we're just like, oh, do I really want to eat it again tomorrow? Unless you meal prep. And then, yes, you do. So, y'all, try it. The grilled spaghetti sandwich, phenomenal. Y'all, with that, I'll catch you in the next one. I love you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.